In this video, we are going to provide 5 tips on how to meditate properly at home for beginners. Before we get started, we want to give a massive thank you to our subscribers for continuing to find enjoyment in our content. If you are new, we upload videos weekly focused on helping to improve quality of life through meditation, affirmations, nature sounds, and positive talk videos like this one. Subscribe and click notifications if this is something you are interested in. Grace us with a like, share, and comment if you enjoy this video. Let's get to it. 5 tips on how to meditate properly at home for beginners. Tip 1. Expectations. As a beginner, it's important to remove any expectations about meditation from your mind. If you have expectations and consider the experiences of others who practice meditation, this can make the practice intimidating, blocking you from having your own authentic, genuine experience. In this stage, it's beneficial to be open and receptive to having your own experience. Tip 2. Pace yourself. It's essential to pace yourself as a beginner. It's not ideal to dive in headfirst with intermediate advanced meditation practices, as this could be overwhelming and discouraging in remaining consistent with the practice. Tip 3. Compassion. Have compassion for yourself in this stage. Practicing meditation, like anything else, takes time, consistency, and patience for effective lifelong results. If you have initial struggles with time, position, discomfort, and racing thoughts, don't feel discouraged. Remember, you are new to this. If a session doesn't go as expected, don't beat yourself up. Try again the next day. Just don't give up. It gets easier. Tip 4. Environment. Setting the stage as a beginner is vital. You are already presented with the challenge of adjusting to the practice itself. The last thing you want to do is attempt to meditate in an environment that doesn't promote your progression. We recommend choosing a comfortable and peaceful designated area without distraction. If you live in a busy household, get creative. Use your closet, bathroom, car, go to a park or outside, whatever works best. Creating a schedule and choosing a designated area encourages commitment. Tip 5. Technique. As mentioned before, do not begin with intermediate advanced meditation techniques. In this stage, your objective is to get used to the action of meditation. Start short and simple. You can work your way up with reading and learning about more advanced meditation styles and techniques as you become comfortable and adjusted. We recommend starting with 1-minute meditations, sitting in a chair or lying down, counting your breaths in your head, 1 inhale plus 1 exhale with your nose until your 1-minute timer goes off. In the comments section, we provide a link to a free infographic that you can use as a reference for this short silent meditation. Of course, we offer guided meditations if this is preferable. There is also another link in the comments section for our 5-minute guided meditation for focus and concentration. This concludes our 5 tips on how to meditate properly at home for beginners. We hope these tips are beneficial. Thank you for tuning into another edition of our Positive Talk series. Subscribe, like, share, and comment if you enjoy this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily motivation and inspiration. Until next time, be positive.